Look at this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche truck. This Avalanche truck has just under 58,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 on the highway. This Avalanche truck boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, auxiliary audio input, tow package, driver airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 704-786-2151 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.